Hey, I'm Brendan and I'm back, and today I'm going to be breaking down how we flew our drone in a triangle and a square. So we're going to start out with the triangle. You can see my code on the left here. I'm going to highlight it. So here's our variable triangle, and so we had it repeat the send message forward 100, wait 6 seconds, then turn counterclockwise 20 centimeters. We had it repeat for the range of 3, so it went and made the shape of a triangle. So I'll go ahead and we'll watch the video now, and I'll show you what it does. So let's go. So here's the takeoff. It goes forward 100. No, 60.
Oh, wait. Second, stop it. It's gonna hit the wall.
Does not hit the wall, it's fine. Turn. Went forward.
Okay.
Turns one more time to complete the triangle. And it's over. Thank you so much. And next I'm going to be showing you the square. Alright, now I'm going to be showing you the square. So here's our variable square, and it has us go up 75 centimeters. Then for I in range of 4, it repeats this message 4 times, so it goes forward 60, counterclockwise 90, and does it 4 times to make the shape of a square. So let's go ahead and run our code, and I'll break down the video. Alright, here we go. So there's our takeoff. It's going to go up 75. Forward. There's the first turn. Another turn. Turn. And that is it. Thank you so much. Next, I'm going to be showing you my GitHub and all the code. Alright, I'm here for the last bit of this video with my GitHub, showing you all of the code. So you can see here we have our 2 variables that we used. This is a third one. It didn't end up working right, so I never showed it to you. This is when we were testing it. So this is an older backup, by the way. But yeah, here's the square that I just showed you with our variables, triangle and square, same. Our ranges, and with the square we had to go up an extra 75 to get more height. So let's talk about this. So by default, when the drone goes forward, say, it waits 6 seconds before the next command. But with our triangle, we overrided it to 6, but we could have set it to 7 or 8. It's just 6 right now, for example. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.